cause of high pressure, the stripper, prevent the loss, prevent LOPC, LOPC, and tripping.
Yes.
I take here the same 0 to 5 because you don't have question. And this is the process alarm. But I will take medium here. B
No,
and medium.
in this case, okay, we don't have the calculation, but in this case, because if we're talking about it will not be immediate, but it will be because now this is blockage of vein pack, right? So blockage of
When
vein pack, it did not happen overnight, right? So
gradual,
it's yeah.
yeah, yeah,
Though we
gradual.
have no calculation,
What
but
about now we talk about the pressure gradient increase over pressure high to pressure high.
correct. But this is again, see, when you have a high pressure, it depends on how black is this. Is this 100% black immediately? But if it's
Yeah,
not,
Because when you select the high pressure alarm,
mm,
it will be almost total blocked.
correct.
You didn't alert the operator
So okay, so let's consider it is
from high
immediate.
to high.
Let's consider it's immediate.
yeah, it will not see when will block gradually. That is ruled out. But this FCB can malfunction full open
Yes.
immediately.
Now FCP again
FCB immediate.
immediate, but see what I'm saying is this FCP fully open, right? Which we already considered incising our stripper.
So
We-
our stripper force, left up force.
Yes,
But it will cause high pressure.
it will cause high pressure, but it will still because the path is open, right? Path is open. But okay, let's put immediate.
Immediate, yes, I'm putting
We
immediate.
are the one to do calculation for this.
Here I'm putting medium because LOPC and injury, I'm putting immediate.
Immediate.
And I will put
Yeah, it's
P1.
P1. P1. I think it's okay because and other than this, others are not going to be P1. So
This is PAL. PAL where? This 006.
So, great.
This PAL. Where is this PAL?
Small pressure.
okay, PAL is it's in the same
PAL
transmitter,
06.
yeah. High and low, yeah, it's the same
This is the
transmitter.
same one. Same.
Correct. Same transmitter.
So this is what? Why there is PAL?